Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a very healthy and crunchy snack with just 5 ingredients. Guys, did you hear that? Just 5 ingredients. So this recipe calls for peanut butter and I didn't have one as at the time I shot this video, so I substituted that for the homemade one, which I used ground nuts. So guys, stick around as you enjoy this video. Hey guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up by clicking the like button. Also guys, don't forget to drop your comments down below. Let me know if you'll be trying this recipe and if you have tried it before. What are your thoughts, guys? I would love to hear from you. Someone watching may be wondering how I'm able to make this mix into a ball without having to put oil or any form of grease on my hand. This is because of the creamy texture of the peanut butter that I made and the honey. So the combination of the honey and the homemade peanut butter, or groundnut butter as I called it, made it very easy to roll this mix into a ball. So you really do not need oil or any form of grease when you're trying to roll the mix into a ball. This is the result of the ball after freezing it for 1 hour. Guys, this snack is so easy to make. It's super crunchy and super healthy. Guys, you can remake this recipe because I would love to hear from you. Hey guys, I'm sure you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the box to watch more videos to come. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Cheers.